my dad has talked about how someday, you know, we'll charter a private jet, right? We'll, you know, get a jet, we'll split it, we'll go to Vegas. Yes, we are.
I don't know. Oh, wow.
Yeah, man.
So what's
up, Dad? Happy birthday, man. Well, you were talking about it. I always want to do it. So I was like,
that's a big thing. That
screw it, let's do it, man.
Now, ready to take off. That's my first private jet flight. This looks amazing, and let's go. I'm a bit excited, but let's have fun. Cheers! Normally I always take commercial flights, but anyways, that's the first time, and I hope I enjoy the flight. And really, that's really the first time that I take the private jet.
Private jet has always been a dream of mine, so when the opportunity arose and I could seize on that opportunity, then it was a no-brainer.
Would you like to go on your first private plane? Come on, let's go. All right, you're gonna push the buttons, go beep, beep, beep.
Fly my first private jet, private plane. This is so crazy. No security checks, nothing. You walk in that door, you'll walk out to your jet.
So did you bring the stuff? Bright bugs?
I'm never gonna want to fly commercial again. This is gonna really spoil it. Too bad. Look at this. Wow. Arby's, huh? You guys just stopped at an Arby's on the way?
Dude, how baller is that? We got some Taco Bell, we got some Arby's, and we got bean burrito. We got this.
Alright, now this vlog is the first time I ever went on a private jet.
Thanks so home.
My family's in. They had a giant heart attack when they saw this plane. I don't think they're realizing what's going on, but here we are. We're inside the plane. My mom is still shocked, and then you can see everyone, the entire family in the back. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but it's all yours, so hang on. Go ahead. Oh, yes, please. Some berries. We keep getting more food. We have so many sandwiches. We got champagne. Cheers. Oh, Auntie. The plane's too big, but there we go. Awesome. Oh, that's. And now I want to say hello to the captain. Oh, hello. How are you? This is. Oh my God.
With my private jet, do you want to join? And I was like, hell yeah! This is so crazy.
Yeah, look at Lana's outfit right now, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa! She's dressed to impress right now.
I'm waiting for those selfies, yeah?
I didn't know this. They have a different airport for the private jets, guys. So that is pretty cool. I've never been here before. Apparently it's like a very exclusive place. It's not even like a big airport or anything. So it should be fun.
Looks so funny right now.
Oh my God.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine though. I'm trying to know if I can hit it from behind.
It's like on another level, guys. Look at the interior. It's off the roof.
This place is one of the most beautiful terminals I've ever been at. Look at this. What?
Strings.
And they have a white piano.
I've never seen one of these.
Can you play that? Like, is it playable?
It's so quiet in here.
I know,
don't
it's
think
so
I'm gonna
awkward
try
in here. Hey. Woo! So much pressure.
Welcome to my crib. Yeah.
We're like the only ones here, guys.
VIP.
It feels awkward because it's so quiet. You know what I'm saying?
I like that. Even the furniture looks futuristic. Look at that. Have you ever seen an L-shaped couch like that?
It is an L shape.
Ooh.
L for Lana.
Give me an L.
Give me an L.
Whoa, look, more. Dun, 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 dun.
Yo, look at that watch.
That is the most unique watch I've ever
I
seen.
bet you these are for sale.
Look at this one. He's so cute. Hello, I'm Mr.
Wally.
Oh my god, look at the walls. Yo. Google beds. This is technology I've never heard about in my life.
This is what it feels like to be in a private jet terminal, and that is where you sleep for relaxation. Let's give this a shot. I feel like this is gonna brainwash me.
Alright, let's sit. I think you're just breaking into it. Oh, I think it's one of those that cancels out sound completely. Tell me if you can still hear me.
I can hear you. What is
Yo,
going
Mohammed, you're
on?
going backwards. Mohammed. Mohammed, it looks like you've got a huge coat.
Yeah, it's very weird. It's very weird. Let's do this, boys. Are you ready? Look at that, guys. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's so loud in here. So right now we're in the airplane, boys. Bam! As you can see, we have our own little section over here, so we're about to take off right now, boys. Let's go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
All the way up. I'm all the way up.
By the way, check out all of the stuff they have over here, guys. Look, what? Alright, I'm flying private jet more often.
That's nice. That's how it's done. The whole way you've been eating, Mo. Stop abusing the flight. Okay, that's a storage compartment. Those are like chargers. So in case, like, they've got every phone in the world. No, Mohammed, I'm gonna tell.
We're good, man. I need chargers. I need phone chargers. Check it out. Mommy Mo's like a boss right now. Hey, the Instagram photos. I want to show you guys something really, really cool you guys didn't know about this airplane. That is the TV right there, guys. Check this out. That's what you watch your TV on in a private jet. And secondly, I bet you guys didn't know that the shades go up. Check that out. I hope it's going up right now, or else I look like an idiot. Is it going up? Yo, I just want to say, they just brought us the craziest dessert ever. Let me show you what dessert looks like on a private jet. Bam! Anyways, I just want to show you, check out how beautiful this jet is, guys. Yeah, let's go.
Are you looking to rent an affordable private jet air charter flight service? We can help you citation a plane to your next destination quickly. Visit WysLuxury.com for more locations near you